Hey, all you can do DIYers. Today I'm going to show you how to replace an air filter. And this one I'm actually going to be putting on a Filter Fresh scent. It's for an apartment I am getting ready to rent. So I can go ahead and show you how to do that. First of all, you want to make sure if you are using a scent that you put it on the side where the air flows up. So as it goes through the apartment and gets sucked up in, the air fresh filter goes here. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do this. Open the package. This scent is pretty strong, so you don't want to touch it too much. And then see this kind of like zigzaggy-ish pattern? You're gonna remove that. Okay, you're going to take this metal hook, and then what you're going to do is hook it like this, and go ahead and hook it on through those fibers right in the center. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and show you how to replace it up in the AC system itself. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and put up the air filter into the system here. So this particular one you just flip open. Otherwise, I've seen some that screw open. So you can see how dirty this air filter is. We're gonna go ahead and take that out. Ugh, I should have a mask on. Yuck. FYI, your air filter should be changed like once every 6 months minimum. So don't let it go that long. Okay, it's gross. So the biggest point to putting in the air filter is making sure that the arrows are pointing the right direction, which it says is the airflow. And since the air gets sucked in up into here, that's where we want it. And then again, my Filter Fresh Air Fresh scent is on top. And then fit that in. Now usually these air filters are pretty snug. They're like exactly the measurement that you need when you get them. So it's gonna be pretty taut because it has to seal kind of off. So we're gonna go ahead and close that up. And you're all set. It was that easy. I hope you enjoy.